Hello viewers, namaste, welcome back to my video. My name is Ganga. So in this today's live video, I'm going to show you our performance, WinTrader performance in swing trading. So I just opened this stock Dr. Reddy and I set the time frame 1 hour. In swing trading, we are mainly following 1 hour time frame, and actually you can use it for say scalping and intraday trading also. You can our software support just to change the time frame according to that. So right now it's a Dr. Reddy live market, and you can see 4,612. That is a real time market value, and you can see this green apparent that is a buy signal. So whenever software generated buy or sell signal, yes, sell signal, there is an alert, there is a pop-up message will display in your screen with the sound effect. So before taking the position, you have to check whether this signal is confirmed or not. For checking the confirmation, we have two parameters, confirmation parameters in our software. If it is confirmed, then directly you can take the position in your trading platform. Whatever trading platform you are using, trade you have to do in your trading platform. So I will show you how to check the confirmation. It's very simple and easy. First, the arrow will come. So we have to wait for the arrow to come. If it is buy signal, the first confirmation below you can see price. It should be buy zone. Second confirmation on below this arrow, you can see there is a bar is there now. That is our confirmation bar. It should be green color. So you need to check only two confirmation. If these two confirmations are okay, then directly we can go for buy. And on below dashboard, you can see first target, there are three targets there. First target, second and third target. So first target is 4,633. First, we have to check the confirmation. First confirmation, after the arrow, price. The first confirmation price should be buy zone, and the second on below this arrow, below this buy signal on below you can see there is a bar that should be in the same color of the signal. If it is buy signal, it should be in green color. So we need to check only two confirmation. If these confirmations are okay, then it gives 80 to 90% accuracy on that signals, and very simple to follow. And currently we got a buy. Actually we got a buy today at 4,583, and the time is 10:50. Currently we are in profit of 30 points, and our first target is not at come. First target is 4,633, and currently market is 4,630. So you know we are giving a 1-day free trial also. So if you are guys interested to know more about our product WinTrader and want to check the live performance of our software WinTrader, directly you can contact me 9061 973737. This is my official WhatsApp number. You can directly call me also. Otherwise, you can on below this video, you can see the description box is there. Just click, my WhatsApp link is there. Just click there and directly come to my WhatsApp chat. So thank you for watching the video.